Yo, it's getting real spicy. It's getting they heating it up. Nike is killing the game as far as getting the excitement and the hype out there for certain sneakers. And we about to be talking about a shock drop that we could be seeing very soon. So let's go ahead and get into today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into another video. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up. You guys already know I always try to give you guys these gems, these little, you know what I'm saying, little hints of what we could potentially be seeing, all the rumors and stuff like that, and information I get from a lot of different Discord groups that I am in currently. And this is getting a little bit of buzz about this specific sneaker, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, if you want more information like this, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. And please give a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. All my social media links will be linked down below, along with OutRank brand. You guys already know, got a discount code for you guys, the vintage, save you 10% off every time it's a Jordan release. You know what I'm saying, some hype. They got some dope collections, some dope apparel to go with that specific sneaker. So go check out OutRank brand. I'm gonna link them down below. Use my code adventure, like I said, and go check them out. All right, guys, so you know, usually about a month or so before a specific drop, we get like either an exclusive access or a shock drop, just like we've seen with the Air Jordan 4 fight, what they call it, the red cements. The red cement 4s, they just did a shock drop. You guys know those released next month, but it's also another pair of heat, another pair of OGs that's coming out next month, and it is the Air Jordan 8 playoffs, man. And that sneaker right there is something I've been waiting for so long. I actually showed these on the channel a while back with the homie He Got Kicks. I'm gonna put a little bit of the clips of that sneaker in this video so you guys can tap in with it. But the information in today's video, you guys already want to know this shock drop that we are hearing, and yes, it is supposed to be happening sometime very soon. There's no specific date yet. You guys already know when we get the specific dates, the specific times, we do post it, but it's always good to know that we are getting something early from Nike for a pair of sneakers we've been wanting for a very long time, man. So the official release date for the Air Jordan 8 playoffs is September the 30th, and like I said, we just got a shock drop of the red cements. That was about a week ago, which is a little bit over a month before the drop of the red cement 4s. So we can see something within these, I say within this next week. You know what I'm saying? It's no specific time yet, no specific date, but if I had to put money on it, it would have to be sometime right before those Air Jordan 4 red cements come out, or sometime late next week. And like I said, when we get more information, more times for you guys, I'm definitely gonna give you guys the information, because I don't want to withhold anything, man. Like, my goal on YouTube, I swear, is to help you guys out, hit pairs for retail, and who wouldn't want an early pair for retail? You feel me? I know I do. I know you guys watching video, especially the OGs out here, love OG colorways like the Air Jordan 8 playoff. The retail tag will be $210. You guys, I really thought it was gonna be like $225, but it's not. 210 bucks, not too bad. We have been getting that, that raise in retail value, which is crazy, but it's neither here nor there, because I know you guys want this OG pair of heat, man. And usually, back to the shock drop, usually it happens around, midday. Sometimes, they even give us a set time and a set date, Nike SNKRS App themselves. And I'm pretty sure we've seen the same kind of trend with Nike doing that, letting us know the exact time, the exact, date for the drop, and giving everybody a heads up about the shock drop. I know a lot of people say, don't tell nobody about the shock drop, but even Nike SNKRS App themselves let people know about the shock drop. So why not come on YouTube and tell you guys about it, even though the whole United States gonna know about the shock drop that the Nike SNKRS App is about to do. It's not a lot of 8s that people wanna go out and grab. I would probably say we needed these playoff 8s, and we definitely need the Aqua 8s to come back out. Last time the Aqua 8s drop was back in like 2014 or 2015, I'm not too sure. And I just always think back to when, I literally see them in Nike LA going for $100, and I pass them. I was super mad. And yeah, just Nike, please bring out the Aquas as well. Yeah, man, the playoff 8, super dope. Like, so I'm gonna throw some clips up on here. Shouts to the homie He Got Kicks. He came to the crib. You see the, if y'all seen the clips I just showed y'all, I know it looks totally different from what you see now. I redid the entire, studio room. So if you guys fucking with the transformation, go ahead and spam some fire emojis down below just for that aspect, man. Real quick, I need to know everybody that's going for these playoff 8s. Is it just me that's super excited about it, or do I got a lot of people in today's video that are excited about the Air Jordan 8 playoff drop as well? Even if I don't hit on this shock drop, I do know for sure I'm getting a pair. I'm not gonna double up on the 8s because I don't wear 8s that often. It might be like very rare me wearing a pair of 8s, especially if I'm like, you know, stepping out. Like I might wear them to go to Walmart or something, just being honest, or wash the car. But as far as, you know, rocking on a consistent basis, it's not gonna be the playoff 8s, man. But I wanted to check the resale value right now. You guys know it has been a couple of pairs floating around early, and so I know the resale is gonna be pretty high. But once we do see that, you know, that shock drop here within the next couple of weeks, I'm pretty sure that price is gonna drop tremendously, because this pair of 8s, nobody rocks 8s like that, let's just be honest. And I could be wrong, because it is the playoffs, everybody loves the playoff 8s, but me, honestly, I think that these gonna be another one of those, you know, OG colorways that sit for a couple of days. All right, so we just found a Jordan 8 playoffs, and they really don't even have any sizes on StockX. You guys can see all it has is bids going all the way down for every single size. So we probably won't see any prices get loaded up until we, you know, get this whole shock drop information pushed out. I'm pretty sure you're gonna see a lot of, you know, more reliable sources like me telling you guys about this shock drop. And then, you know, people gonna start pushing out them pairs, and then people gonna start listing the pairs for whatever, you know, price they think it's worth. Me personally, I'm not paying resale, but if I can get them early, I will not mind, you know, paying a little extra dime to show them to the vintage squad. So yeah, guys, like I said, let me know down below in the comment section if you are going for these playoff 8s. Is this one of the stingers of the year? I know it's deep in the year, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people haven't been giving them the credit that is due, but I do think that once we get to the actual release date, once we do get the shock drop, we're gonna hear that you know, that buzz, that excitement about them, that hype about them, because it is a super, you know, notable Jordan release. Jordan put some work in them 8s. It's a dope colorway, you feel me? And it's a lot of OGs that want to snag a pair. And like, this is my first time ever, you know, even seeing a pair in hand, when I did a couple months ago early. It's gonna be the first time having a pair personally in a collection, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss on any content that I ever drop. And please do a huge like on today's video if you fucking with the vibes, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace. Last time these dropped, I never had a pair, so I'm super interested in seeing how these bad boys look, man. So official colorway, Air Jordan 8 Retro, black, true red, and white. Let y'all check that out in the size 10.5. I need you in size 9. So they got size 9. Hit your boy up. And
right now it's crazy. The only people that I've seen with like early pairs have only been bigger sizes.
I know, but sheesh, these motherfuckers tough, bro. Check them out. Air Jordan 8 playoffs, bro. Man.
If you, one thing you'll notice is
dawn.